Good morning from wherever you are. Thank you for taking the time to tune in to Mark's Family Cooking. It is morning in my household. It is breakfast time. I've still got bedhead. I'm still in my pajamas, but don't let that put you off subscribing to the channel. If you like the video we're about to do, please give it a thumbs up and hit the bell to get notifications. This morning for breakfast, I am doing smoothie bowls. Full of vitamins, full of flavour. You can add whatever topping you want. The kids love them. They're super easy, and it's just something a bit different than a bowl of Rice Krispies or Cocoa Pops or porridge or Weetabix or toast. Give them a go. They're absolutely amazing. I love them. The kids love them. Preston, do you like a smoothie bowl?
Yeah.
Here's how you do it. Smoothie bowls aren't rocket science, but you are going to need a good blender. I've got a Ninja blender with a big jug attachment. This is what I'm going to use because what I'm going to be making is for 3 people. Ingredients wise, 2 bananas, 50 ml of yogurt, 1 cup of frozen pineapple, 1.5 cups of frozen mixed fruit. It's as easy as putting it in the blender and blending it up. Peel your bananas, and I don't bother chopping them. I just break them in by hand, put them in the blender. Add your pineapple. Add your berries. Add your yogurt. This is going to be noisy. That's had a minute. Time to divide by the bowls. Nice and thick. Now to add your topping. I like to add a drizzle of honey, small handful of granola, a few chia seeds, and then to top it off, I like to add a good teaspoon of peanut butter. If you can, when it comes to peanut butter, I recommend buying the 100% peanut butter. No added oil, no added salt, no sugar, and no palm oil. And that's it. That is my smoothie bowl. It looks delicious. Time for breakfast. That's how you make smoothie bowl. Boys, how is it?
Delicious!
It's got the thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Check out the channel. Check me out on the socials, on Instagram, on Facebook. It's now breakfast time. Delicious.